guys. So you never seen my bird before. So this is the morning routine. So we're about to take this thing off because it's morning time for her. And yeah. No. Now I just gotta get this. Don't mind me. Here, I'll show you guys here. No. There. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so. Oh my God. Okay, shut up. Now. Nick, not now. Okay. No. Sorry, my dogs are barking. They gotta stop during these. Shush, Mick. Now, I don't want you doing that during these. That's annoying. Now, we got that done. So, we say this. Her name is Kiko. Kiko Cookie. This is Kiko. Yeah, nice. That's Kiko. Now she allows us to pet her, but she still doesn't trust us yet. But let me show you guys. Ew. Okay, so she poops in her food and water, and she pooped a lot in her food last night. Oh Jesus. Now let's check the water. Where's she on right now? She's attacking. I have to open it. I'm sorry. She hates it. No. No poop in there. No. As you can see, she went like that to get it out. But let's open this door and get in here. So this is what? So this is her perch right here. She rubs her beak right here to smooth it out or clean it. Now to the toys. So she, right here, she plays with that and then she peels it a little bit, which is okay because that's what it's meant for. And then here's this toy over here, and this her big ladder. Now she climbs up here to just sit there sometimes, but also play with this toy. Now her swing. Here's the story. So, hey now, her swing right here. Let me show you. Like, I don't get it. She plays with it, but she doesn't get on it. But one time I picked her up and I tried to show her it, but I put her on there and then she swung like this a little bit, but then she was done. Like, she wanted off. She went, because she wanted off, so I had to grab the swing and pull it to the wall. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah, talking about you. There we go. Yeah, I'm talking about you. She's going, during I was talking. So, now, so you know that she's missing some of her tail feathers? Well, my dog, my dog cannot be left alone with any other animals. And this is a story. This is story time. So, it's not long. So one time, my dog pulled out her tail feathers. But they're supposed, well, not supposed. It's okay if they pluck out because they use that so they don't get captured. You can look that up to see if I'm right. But that's what I heard. But this girl is cute. Kiko. Yeah, Kiko. Yeah. She's a pretty blue Quaker parrot bird. And I'm really happy we got her. We just gotta earn her trust, and I think my dog's name is Miss. But she is not good with other animals. Like, she's bad, as you can tell. She plucked her things out, and I'm mad at her for doing that. But anyways, let's get to the actual morning routine. So the morning routine is that Oh, I forgot to show you something. So this is her spray bottle. I spray my dog with that because she plucked out her tails and she tries to again. But she loves being sprayed by this, guys. Let me show you. Okay. I might as well just put you guys and show you in the cage. Okay. As you can see, she ducks down for it. Now watch this, guys. She goes to her spot. Fluff up. Okay, that's good. See, she fluffs up to get the water in her feathers. Now, to the actual morning routine now. Maybe not. Because I forgot something. So, you see this toy up here? She would play with it, but then it's also bad because she would take out the strings and eat them. So I think it's okay for them to eat it, but you might want to search that up. Just search up, is it okay if my Quaker parrot eats strings from toys? Just search up that, and I hope it tells you guys what will happen. But, now, so the morning routine for her is that I say this here. Climb, 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 climb. Good bird. Now, I don't want to show you guys this because not even the dish. I swear, not even the dish. See, she does this. See? Hey! I'm putting it together and I'm trying to clean out your rocky food dish. That's a bunch of poop in it. Now it's not done yet, so sometimes I rinse it out if some poop are still on there. But guys, if you have a bird, you gotta expect this stuff to happen and you gotta deal with it. But this is what I do. I know it's not a water dish, but this is how I do it though. Might as well just get it out as good as I can. But yeah, so this is the morning routine for her. So yeah. Okay, that's probably as good as I can get, and I can probably even get it out by the paper towel. So then I get a paper towel because look, it's still wet and it shouldn't be wet when it's a food dish, but it's not a water dish. So I am going to do this even around, sometimes even around. So I feel like for her to be clean dish. That's good. Now see how clean that is? I didn't want to show you with all the poop in there because that would be disgusting. But I'm gonna set you. This is funny. So then this will go here. Yeah. So in this cabinet we have repellents. These are really healthy for her. And that's what I'm about to put in here now. Because she didn't have any before. Make sure I don't put a lot because she poops in it all the time. Which I don't like at all. But it's birds. They poop in their food. So. In the wild, they probably poop in their food. But around all the time. But when I'm done, this is how much food I put in her dish. So let's put this away. Okay, let's go and take it back. And I probably will have to do her water too. Ah. Do you hear her yelling for it? Ah. She wants it. Okay. I'll set you guys down so you can see what happens. I'm so sorry for this video. I don't have the right equipment. But this is the only way I can look. Yeah, this is the only way I can put it in. Climb. Be a good bird. Climb. Good bird. Climb. Climb. Stop it. Now watch what she does. There. There. It's fine, girl. Now, I know it's been a while since I cleaned out her water. So I should probably clean out her water too. But hold on, let me take this down first. So this is good to change their food and water probably every day because it's not good for them to like have old food and old water. So we're throwing this water in the sink. Now, tap water is not good for them. So just don't give your bird tap water. Just give them like these kind of waters. Because these are better for them. Pure Life kind of bottles. And other ones, just make sure it's not tap water. Just make sure it's in bottles like this. So now, here, I'll show you guys. Nope, it's too close. There we go. So, yeah, okay, so make sure not to give them tap water. Just do this. Make sure not to fill it up a lot, because they don't like a lot of water, I don't think. So that's probably good enough. At least she has water. So screw that back, put that here. This is how much water I put in there. But it's fine. Okay, now we're going back to give it to her. Let me set you guys in the same spot as I did before. There we go. Now, good bird. She's eating her food. That's why she's being good right now. And now she goes like this with her water. So then it'll probably spill. See? Hey! Hey! Stop it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, we got that in here. Now, the other morning routine to do is also what I did before. Spray her. Because she loves being sprayed and so much. And I'm so happy about that. But now watch this. That's her little miss for the day. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. But last of all, I'll show you up here. That's on top of her cage. Okay, guys, so we're going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah. Okay, guys. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Bye.